Welcome children in the science class. Today we will learn chapter 5 birds, beaks and claws part 2. In the previous class we discussed about the different types of beaks of a bird, and today we will learn about the feet and claws. The feet and claws of birds are shaped to suit their perching and food habits. Now, perching is a resting place of a bird above the ground. Claws are the long curved nails present on the foot. Claws can be used for climbing, protecting, holding food, swimming and perching. Now, let us learn more about the birds. Now, birds of prey. What is birds of prey? Birds which kill other smaller animals and eat them as food are called birds of prey. Birds like eagle, vulture and hawk have strong and sharp claws. These help them to firmly hold the prey while flying. Now next is perching birds. Sparrows, pigeon and crows have long and slender claws with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Their toes curl around the branch or a wire and hold it firmly. It is given into sparrows and other perching birds can even sleep while perching on wires or branch of trees. As you know that perching is a resting place above the ground, and you can see the sparrows sitting on a branch of a tree. Next is swimming birds. Ducks and penguins have webbed foot that help them to swim. You can see here in the picture the webbed foot of a duck. The front toes of these birds are joined by a skin, giving them a flat appearance. Their toes are joined by a skin. They use their feet to paddle and push the water while swimming. So, these birds like duck and penguin which swim in water, they paddle and push the water while swimming. Next is wading birds. Now, crane and jacana have long legs and wide spreading toes. These help them to walk in shallow water or mud. The widely spread out toes prevent their body from sinking in water. Here is a crane and it is given into cranes and jacana can walk in the mud without getting their body wet. This is called wading as they have long legs. Now next is scratching birds. Some birds like hen have strong feet and 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Each toe has a sharp claw to scratch the ground in search of seeds and insects present in the soil. This is an example of hen. It is an example of hen and you can see the claws of hen. And next is climbing bird. Birds like the woodpecker and the parrot have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 downwards. These birds can cling to trees to catch insects and to hold the fruits. So, next is we thus find the nature has provided birds with different types of beaks, feet and claws. These are as per the needs and habits of different birds. We can see the different types of birds with different types of colors, beaks, feet and claws as the needs and habits of different birds. Now it is given in Do You Know? Dr. Salim Ali 1896 to 1987. A person who studies birds is called an ornithologist. Dr. Salim Ali was a very famous Indian ornithologist. he has done a lot for saving the wildlife. He has written many books on birds. Dr. Ali has been awarded the Padma Vibhushan. So, let's know what is Padma Vibhushan. It is the second highest civilian award of our country, next only to Bharat Ratna. This award is given for exceptional and distinguished service without distinction of race, occupation, position or sex. Now, keywords. Chisel. Chisel means a flat blade with a cutting edge. Feather. Light, horny, waterproof structure on the body of birds. Hollow. Vacant space in something. Next is pierce, to cut through. Next is probe, to find out. Shift, to separate out through using a sieve. Now, sieve is a straining solid from liquids. It is used for separating the things. So, your assignment is you have to learn and write the keywords in your science book, science copy. That's all for today. Thank you.